You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this expression? This is kind of a slang expression meaning what's up, what is up, what up. Another different way of saying what up or what's up is TSUP. TSUP. So you essentially skip the whole wa sound at the beginning. So what up? Just swap the wa sound at the beginning and just say TSUP. What's up? TSUP. Just the last part of what's up? TSUP. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.